Nag-meet kami Tinder. Nag-chat kami. And then, nag-date kami sa Tagaytay.
May partner na pala nun.
She's very supportive.
Then hindi ko ina-expect na, ayun, makakilala ko si Guru.
When I was a student, siya palagi yung sinasandalan
Usual yung akin, bro.
Hanggang sa graduate ako at maging lawyer, siya pa rin yung kasama ko. First impression ko kay May, mabait, maganda. Napaka-caring niya. Hindi siya masyadong demanding on our first date.
Nung naging kami ni Drem, siguro, hindi yung sarili ko na lang yung iniisip ko. Siyempre, iniisip ko na din si Drem everyday.
Walang blank space sa amin. Everything's open. Everything is clear. Nagkakaintindihan kami palagi.
Ay, wow!
Kasi hindi ko pa siya sinagot that time eh. Nung nagkita kami, parang nag-iisip pa ako. Oo nga, tapos ngayon ikakasal na. Wow!
Alvin! Del! Oh. Ulit! Kadya! Nakatayo pa!
Angelo bello, che quando io ti penso, sento questo shaking per i dimmi ma. Angelo bello, che quando io ti penso, sento questo shaking.
Maraming salamat palagi.
We love you po, Edwin and Joanna.
Tatalon! Ano?
Angelo bello, che quando io ti penso, io sento questo shaking per i dimmi ma dico tanto, ancora qualche soldo, e poi mi rivedrai a Napoli ritornare. Come sogno, le stelle sono tante, chissà se sono le stesse che io vedo fuori. Sto male d'amore.
Hi, Daddy. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for answering my prayer way back 2017. Naiiyak na ako. Thank you for 5 years of our relationship. Hindi natin sinukuan ng isa't isa.
During my bar review, you were there as my bar buddy. Whenever I needed something, you gave it to me. On second day of the bar examinations, I was sick. Part of me wanted to quit, but I remember you praying to God that I should take the exams.
Overjoyed, lighter the more you try. Up like a child, ready to come.
Hi Daddy, sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Naalala ko kaso yung sinabi mo before na never ka pa nagkaroon ng ganitong shoot.
Kaya naisip ko na ito na lang, ibigay ko sa'yo.
I promise to listen when you don't feel heard. I promise to see when you don't feel seen.
Take a chance to feel all it is and all it now.
I don't know Joanna deserve Edrem, so thank you for marrying me today. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you.
Wondering my
I know this is not a perfect love story, but it is our story. We couldn't have made it this far without you. From now on, we promise to do the same.
last goodbye.
Thank you kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala din ako dito. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Sa lahat. Thank you.
Like a love oblivious. All the time can hold.
Naalala ko pa noon, palagi kong pinagdadasal kay God na kung may darating na lalaki para sa akin, sana siya na yung makasama ko habang buhay. And then God, answer my prayer kasi dumating ka sa panahon na hindi ko inaasahan.
Like a love oblivious. All that I can hold.
Many times I wanted to quit in life, but you never did. You've given me hope, dreams, and love among other things.
And all in
It is not just the marital life that should matter sa inyong buhay, but how you're going to grow in this marital love, this marital relationship.
I promise to pray for you because you're the one I prayed for. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy. Tandaan mo sa kahit anong pagsubok na dumating, hindi kita iiwan at ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw.